Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Yes, and welcome back to the healthier side of things. Now my peeps, I'm gonna make some jackfruit, Irish moss, bladderwrack smoothie. Alright, and I'm gonna put a little bit of ginger, some almond, and some honey for taste. Alright, I'm gonna peg these out, take them out of the peg, and then I'm gonna come back. Alright my peeps, this is an original recipe. Alright, let's get blending. So I have my jackfruit and my ginger, and I'm gonna add it to my blender. Make sure you put those ginger in there. I think that's it. I have some crushed ice. I'm gonna put the ice. I'm gonna put a big tablespoon of Irish moss, sea moss, and bladderwrack. This is optional, but I'm gonna put like a teaspoon of honey. And this is my unsweetened almond milk. I'm gonna put like a cup. That's it. Alright my peeps, we're gonna blend away. And look at the goodness, and we're gonna just serve up some now, guys. Yeah, you want to blend it a little bit extra. All right my peeps, now this is the goodness, and we're gonna pour some here. This is the final result. Love upon me and I love upon you. You have a good day now, guys. Super refreshing, super healthy. Sea moss, bladderwrack, and jackfruit smoothie. Superfood. Meal replacement right here, guys. Alright, packed with lots of fiber, lots of antioxidants, lots of vitamins and nutrients. Yes. Gonna clean and build your immune system. And you know jackfruit is a superfood. Packed with lots of protein. Yeah, super healthy. Alright my peeps, and if you find that the jackfruit is really sweet, then you don't have to put any honey. Alright, but I'm using the unsweetened almond milk. Alright, you have a good day. Bye guys.